Welcome to the channel. In today's video, my brother's going to install a new windshield that he got for his 2022 Honda Goldwing. If it's something that you're going to be interested in, link will be in the description below. Let's get right into it and see what he's got.
Hey everyone, let's see here. Well, I'm not out in my garage yet. I'm actually in my house, but I'm actually inside because my brother's outside recording one right now, so it's kind of difficult to have us both recording one at one time. But I do have one more, another product that I'm going to unbox and install. It's a Slipstreamer windshield. If you already watched my videos, you know I have a Clockworks 20-inch. Don't get me wrong, it's a great windshield, but at higher speeds it does create a bit of turbulence and a little bit of vibration. Anything, 75, 80 miles an hour, it gets a little bit. 80 miles an hour is probably about where you want to be. Of course, someone's saying why are you going that fast, but it is a good windshield. I figured I'm going to try the Slipstreamer and compare it, see how I like it. This video, however, though, is going to be just a unboxing and showing you and installing on a bike, showing you what it looks like on a bike. In the spring, I will do a comparison of all of them. The stock, the Clockworks, the Slipstreamer, and what else. So. Alright, so let me go ahead and show you how it's boxed up and what it looks like coming out of the box. Alright, so this is how they ship it to you. It comes in a pretty tough box too, so you don't have to worry about it being so crunched up or damaged in shipping. They did a fantastic job at putting it all in here. Alright, so it's not too bad. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out and show you what it looks like outside the box. Okay, I just pulled it out of the box. It's not even out of the bag yet. I can tell you that this window is super thick. It is a really thick window, and it is really wide just by looking at it. This is the 20-inch Slipstreamer. I'm gonna go ahead and go out there and compare. Go ahead and put it on. I will show you once it's. I don't think I need to show you how it's done. Everyone's seen videos on how to do that. Basically, you take the two bolts off the cap. Then there's two screws basically that pulls them right off. You just put the new window on, put it on. It's all simple. I'll show you when I have it apart and together. All right. So when you take the window off, there's two push pins, one right here and one right there on the top part of your window arms. Just push it in. The pin pops out. And then you just slide these down and the covers come right off. And then there's two bolts per window, or per side. Take those off and the windshield will come right off. And I will show you once I have this one off and the new one back on. All right, so once you remove the bolts, this window is actually the Clockworks. It's a little tight, so you just kind of grab on both sides and just kind of pop it off the little peg. Just be careful because you don't want to scratch the window as you take it off. And then I'll compare it next to the new window in a second. So when you pop the new window on, start on one side and put the holes on. And then the other side is going to be like way back here. And you just kind of lift up on the window a little bit and push until the other ones pop in the holes. And then just put your bolts back on and put everything back together. All right, so this is the one. This is Slipstreamer 20 inches and a quarter. There is no recurve on this. It definitely is very much wider. When it's all the way down, it does touch these the back fins a little bit. I plan on leaving them because it will actually help stiffen up the windshield at higher speeds. I can tell you, this windshield is thick. It is thick and very durable. It has very little give in it. This is all the way down. I think it looks pretty good. I'll show you a picture of it when I'm on it. And this is a picture of it fully up, fully extended. That is really high. So I can, at the 20-inch one, I can actually look just over this. So I can see over and down just a little bit. Any higher, if I had the 22-inch, I would be looking through the lip here. So my opinion would be, unless you're much higher than I am, stay with this one or go with the really big one so you're looking through it all the time. But this is all the way down. So this way I can at least get some wind in my, wind in my face if I want it, or I can raise it up and now I am completely looking through it and I would be completely protected. Alright, so I just wanted to say that I do like the looks of the Slipstreamer. It looks fantastic on the bike. I am in upstate New York, and I'm way upstate New York. And it's December, so riding won't be happening until probably at least March or April. I do plan on doing a basically a side-by-side comparison with the stock, the Clockworks, the Slipstreamer, and let you know how I like it on the ride. So they're fairly easy to take off and on, so I will put each one on and take a ride with it and show you what it's like. So that video, expect that video in the spring. Otherwise, I do like the looks, and Slipstreamer, the Bob at Slipstreamer, the president, he was very, very accommodating and got that shield to me very quickly. All right, thank you.
All right, that was my brother's video of a Slipstreamer windshield that he got for his 2022 Honda Goldwing. It looks pretty cool. It is wicked thick. It's a little bit taller and a little bit wider. And like my brother said, in the spring he will be doing a real life test of all his windshields to see which one's better and which one he likes the best. It's a little cold right now, so you'll have to wait till spring. But anyway, if you're interested in the product, the link will be in the description below. And if you're not a subscriber, you know what to do. Hit that button, hit the bell so you're notified of when new videos come out, and smash that like button, leave a comment, what do you think, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.